Welcome to this stunning acreage property. We're sitting here in a secluded area that is Palmview Forest. Looking for a place where you can escape the hustle and bustle of city life and enjoy peace and quiet with your family. There is plenty of room to move. The children will love it here, with endless opportunities to explore and play in what can only be described as a natural wonderland. I'm Nathan Beasley. For a personal inspection today, give me a call.